Hello everyone, welcome to Dart tutorial. In this video, you will learn about conditions in Dart. If you want to run a code based on certain condition, then you can use conditions in Dart. We will discuss about various conditions of Dart. Let me share my screen and let's do it practically. Here you can see conditions in Dart. When you write a computer program, you need to be able to tell the computer what to do in different situations. With condition, you can perform that task. We will also see the practical demo. Here you can see one example. A calculator app must perform subtraction if you press the subtract button, and addition if you press the add button. If you press the add button, if it subtracts, then there is no sense, there is no meaning. With the condition, you can do the right thing based on your criteria. Okay, here you can see the different types of condition. Here are different type of condition that you use to control the flow of your program. Conditions is also called control flow. One is if condition, another one is if else condition, another one is if else if condition, another one is switch case. We will discuss about switch case later, but in this video we will discuss about if condition, if else condition, and if else condition. Okay, let's see the demo. If condition: if something happens, then do this. This is if condition. It is the easy and most common way to control the flow of program. Here you can see syntax. Syntax means rules. Just you need to write first if, then in parenthesis you need to write the condition, and in curly bracket you can write any number of statements. Okay, here you can see the example. It prints the person is voter or not. If the person age is greater than or equal to 18, then it will print voter. Okay, it is the example of if condition. So here is no else condition. We will also see the else. First of all, let's run this program. Okay, here I am creating one file, that is ifwork.dart. Okay, let's create our main function or main method. Here is our main method, and I am writing age as integer. Age is equal to, for example, the person age is 22. I need to write a condition if, then you can write parenthesis. Here you can see the syntax. If parenthesis, then you need to write condition. Okay, here you need to write condition. Condition must be in Boolean format. It is either true or false. Okay, if age is greater than or equal to 18, then you need to write curly bracket. This is the body of the condition. If this condition is true, then the body of this condition will be executed. The body of this condition is determined by these two curly bracket. Okay, this is opening curly bracket, this is closing curly bracket. Means this is the opening of the body, starting point of the body, and this is the ending point of the body. Okay, let me print you are voter. You are voter. Okay, so let's save the program and let's run the program. Dart if work.dart. Okay, here you can see you are voter got printed. Similarly, if I write 15, then what will happen? Let's run the program. Nothing happens. You can see there is no output. What if the person is not voter? In this situation, you can use if else. Here you can see another example. Example of if else condition. Syntax is after the statements of if condition, then you can write else statements. Okay, let's see the example. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then it is printing you are voter. Else, just print you are not voter. You are not voter. Okay, let's run the program. This is else block. Okay, let's run the program. That if work dot that, here you can see you are not voter got printed. In this way you can perform tasks based on if and else. If the condition is true, then this bracket code will run. If the condition is false, then this bracket code will run. In this way you can perform if else operation in that. Okay, let's move forward. Here you can see condition based on boolean value. Let's see the condition based on boolean value. Let me write one program, create a new file, boolean work.dat. Okay, let's write our main method, and we have boolean is married is equal to false. Okay, then if I check if is married is equal to true, then I can write print you are married. You are married, and at the end I need to write semicolon, and else just print you are not married. Okay, or you are single. Okay, here you can see you are not voter got printed. I need to run this program, that boolean work.dat. Okay, here you can see you are single got printed. Okay, this is condition based on boolean value. Okay, now let's see the example of if else condition. Here you can see if condition, or you can also join else at the end. When you have multiple condition, or if you have more than two conditions, then you can use if condition, which is very easy. Let's see the example. Okay, here I am creating a new file, count day dot dat. Okay, it's just count day, or day finder dot dat, day finder dot dat. Okay, let's write our main method, which is void main, and let's write integer number of day is equal to 7. Okay, here I will write if number of day is equal to 1, then just print Sunday. Day is Sunday. Similarly, else if, you can write if here, and you can also write multiple condition. Number of day is equal to 2, then just print day is Monday. And else if number of day is equal to 3, then you can print day is Tuesday. Similarly, you can go forward. At the end I will write else if day number of day is equal to 7, then I will print day is Saturday. You can also add other days here. Okay, and at the end you can also write else. It is not compulsory, but you can write. Okay, just write it, just print here invalid option given or something like that. Okay, at the end semicolon. Let's run the program dayfinder.dat, dayfinder.dat. Okay, here you can see day is Saturday. If I write 2 here, then you can see day is Monday got printed. In this way you can use if else in that. Okay, at the end let's find the greatest number among 3 numbers. Okay, let's see the demo. Okay, here you can see that program which finds greatest number among three number. Okay, I will create a new file, great number dot dat. Okay, let's create our main method and let's create three number. Integer num1 is equal to 100, integer num2 is equal to 50, and integer num3 is equal to 600. Okay, now it's time to write a condition. Write condition here. Okay, if number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than number 3, then it is 100% sure that $num1 is great. Okay, else if num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3, then you can print num2 is great. Okay, similarly I will copy and paste it here. If num3 is greater than num1 and num3 is greater than num2, then num3 will be great. Okay, num3 is great. You can also write else at the end, else just print something went wrong. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, let's run the program. That great number dot dat. Okay, here you can see 600 is great. If I make it 1000 num1, okay, let's run the program. 1000 is great. In this way you can perform various operation using conditions. I hope you understood about condition. If you have any question regarding condition, then comment down below. If you like this video, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.